Good Tuesday evening to you. It is about 5:45. I want to give you an update of what's happening as we got storms coming in tonight. Some of those could be severe. We've been talking about for a few days now. So let's get into what's happening. First off, no issues at all right now. Here in the Tuscaloosa area, got a temperature of 83. Again, this recording 5:45. On this Tuesday night or evening, we got a south wind at 17. It has been a very windy day, and that wind is coming off the Gulf, and that is bringing moisture northward. How about 87 today in Demopolis in North Marengo County? Birmingham topping out at 85, Tuscaloosa at 86. Now, temperatures tonight will fall quickly as the cold front comes in around midnight. Temperatures in the 70s before that, then 50s after. By tomorrow morning could be in the upper 40s to around 50 at 6 o'clock. Still some showers lingering around until about 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. Then showers will be moving out. Again, thunderstorms coming in mainly at or before midnight. Here we go. Temperatures across the board again, 80s widespread. Look at the winds. Haydenville 22. That's a pretty windy day across northwest and west Alabama. So here we go. There's some storms coming in. Again, we got a line developing over Arkansas, Missouri, portions of Indiana, Illinois. And again, this activity is moving eastward. We've got a cluster of severe storms over Louisiana and southern Arkansas as well, and those are all coming our way. And this will all merge into a squall line, and some of these are still individual cells. We've got several tornado warnings to our northwest, but as this thing moves into more of a squall line, we're going to have more of a straight line wind damage risk with some of those storms. There's your watch warning map. Again, we've got a severe thunderstorm watch. The counties in pink for west and central Mississippi. Yellow watch box is a tornado watch for Arkansas and up to the northeast of there. And the orange polygons, those are severe thunderstorm warnings. See one tornado warning in northeast Arkansas from that vantage point. Now, here's our computer model. This HRRR kind of take you through this event. A storm should be coming into northwest Alabama around 8, 9 o'clock tonight. So Haydenville, Hamilton, Vernon, areas like that around 9 o'clock tonight. We'll go through towards midnight. Storms will be approaching Gadsden, Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Livingston, roughly the I-59 corridor, again close to midnight tonight. By 12:30 and 1 o'clock, storms quickly moving southeast. Don't understand anything severe will be on the leading edge of the storms. All the stuff you see back to the west of that. Again, 2 o'clock, you see it's still raining in Birmingham and Tuscaloosa. That's just rain. That's after any risk of severe weather will have ended by that point. And again, showers moving out tomorrow morning. Here's timeline. We're looking at 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. for areas like Coleman, Jasper, Fayette, Vernon, Reform, Hamilton, Haydenville, Double Springs, up that way. Now, 11 o'clock to 2 a.m., the I-59 corridor, Gadsden, Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, down towards Livingston, Demopolis, Greensboro, 1 a.m. to 4 a.m., areas like Linden, Marion, Clanton, Rockford, Talladega, Lineville, and Anniston. So again, that's the time frame we think the storms will be moving through our area. In the yellow shade you see there for Interstate 59 points north, that is the better chance for seeing some damaging winds. And understand the highest potential with this event is from straight line winds. There could be some tree damage, possibly some trees brought down by some of the winds that come through with the storms, but understand, I can't rule out an isolated tornado up there around Hamilton and Haydenville, northwest Alabama. Large hail should not be a big issue. There could be some small hail, maybe some pea size or dime size. That's about it. And flooding not expected. The risk of that is very low with this event. So just keep that in mind tonight. Have a way to get warnings in case you get a severe thunderstorm warning or a tornado warning in your area. Again, I think the tornado risk is very low. I can't rule it out. We'll watch that carefully. The highest risk in northwest Alabama. So again, tonight, lows in the 50s after the front passes through. Going to be cooler tomorrow. Now, tomorrow night, it's going to be cold. 30s across the board. I think 37 for the Tuscaloosa area. But if you're north of I-20, you could see a light frost Wednesday night into Thursday morning. We do warm up during the afternoon on Thursday and Friday. Then more rain coming in the first half of the weekend, looking wet, kind of chilly on Saturday. Pretty big soaker. I do think temperatures will be in the 50s all day. We're back at the 70s on Sunday. More rain coming in on Monday. That is your forecast update. Again, we'll be watching things this evening and tonight. If we get a tornado warning, you can join us live on WVUA. Also, if you go over to WVUA23.com and hit the weather tab, there's a live severe weather stream option on there. So we'll have more updates coming up a little later this evening.